Hello, Miss Beth here with your instructions for today's activities. All right, as usual, the first thing you're going to do is report your attendance, and then you will find the video that I'm recording right here, so you can watch it when you need to watch it again. And for those who don't connect, by the way, I recommend you to connect, please. Okay, the first thing here is open this discussion. You're going to see this discussion, and for your actividad inicial, you're going to pretend that you're calling someone and you're going to leave a message with some information about yourself. So you're going to record your message saying a greeting, your name, something you like or you don't like, an adjective that describes you, and a goodbye. And I gave you an example here. So you just click on reply and record your voicemail. That's for your warm-up. Then you have this project. It's Cyber Cafe versus Outdoor Cafe. And it's about two different kind of cafes that you can find in the Hispanic world. So you're going to do some research, just Google it, find some information, and then you're going to create your Google slide, follow the directions, and you have the points that you're going to get for everything that you do. I put some information here that can help you, but you can go farther and find more information about it. And there's your points. So that's all that you're doing today. You're working on that project 9. Mostly is to do your research and get your notes so you can put them in a slide. That's all that we have. Please, as usual, connect, and today will be a good day for you to catch up if you finish your project fast. It will be a good day to catch up with some of the work you're missing. I'll see you during class. Adios.